Because, ladies and gentlemen, the following contest is a very special bunkhouse match. Is a bunkhouse match scheduled for one fall. Introducing first from Amarillo, Texas, he is the Highwayman, Leatherman.
Bunkhouse Brawl coming up here. The Highwayman Leslie Leatherman and the most professional wrestler Brian Myers. There is a lot to touch on in this match. First of all, I want to talk about the amazing gear of Brian Myers. Fun fact, Jackson, the last time I saw Brian Myers wear the Terry Funk inspired gear was at Lariato Pro 2021, the first show I ever ring announced.
Wow.
In a lethal Lariato main event match for the Hardcore Cup, now bringing the digs back out for the Highwayman Leslie Leatherman.
Ooh, what better match to do it for than the Bunkhouse Brawl? And I'll be honest, we're a little close for comfort here with steel chairs,
my TVs,
your TV.
Not pumped about you stealing that from my home.
My Lariato man, through and through, whatever it takes.
Speaking of whatever it takes, Leslie Leatherman looking like he's in the best shape of his life right now. Dropping a hell of a lot of weight. And in here against Brian Myers here tonight. Leslie Leatherman, if he wanted this match before, he's not looking like he wants it right now as these two fighting to the back.
Headed to the back.
This is indie wrestling. I can only see the hard cam feed, so whatever's happening next, I'm sure it's awesome.
Oh man, they're killing each other back there.
You sure?
We can't see.
Yeah, we can't see a thing. Well, I guess with that being said, yeah, a huge matchup, Bunkhouse Brawl.
Behind us. This is not, we've seen this before in Lariato.
Oh my goodness, now Leatherman got a hold of that kendo stick.
Leatherman looks like a crazed man here tonight.
These are two individuals not strangers to this type of stipulation. As I mentioned, that lethal lariato match that Brian Myers was in.
Going up high.
Leslie Leatherman is also no stranger to lethal lariato. Was a part of the Highwaymen whenever they took on Aces and Eights back in March of 2021 in lethal lariato. Bunkhouse, a little bit different. There weren't any TVs in those matches. They did fight out in the crowd, though. I do very vividly remember that. And Brian Myers, I can vividly remember much after taking that tumble all the way down, Surf Ninja style.
Myers with a tumble down the stairs.
That fan in the front's got a hold of that kendo stick. I don't like that.
Yeah, anything could happen now.
Somebody want to get that kendo stick? No? Okay.
All right, free souvenir. That's fine. Bunkhouse, anything goes.
I got my first kendo stick from Lariato too, so I get it. Myers now.
Big shots from Myers.
Yeah, Myers in control, landed that elbow on the Leatherman. Oh, and now Myers with another kendo stick.
Dave Dawson had the same reaction as I did.
Russian leg sweep with the kendo stick assist right on the gym floor. No padding, nothing to protect you.
Not on that hardwood. Myers is up. What is this?
Well, no.
Why is there, what?
I don't even know why that's there. I think I know why now. I think Myers put it up there for safekeeping.
Oh my goodness.
I don't think anything safe is going to be what happens next.
That did feel out of place.
It's throwing off the feng shui of the whole room. Uh-oh.
Oh no. That's got to be valuable. Don't put him through that.
Myers fired up.
Crowd firmly behind him.
I think Myers is setting up for that spear, Jackson. But Leatherman out of the way, and Myers sends himself through the padding.
Oh my gosh. Thankfully that padding is there. Designed for basketball, but it'll work tonight.
That's the only padding in the entire room. Guess there's worse places you could have landed.
Probably saves Myers there. I don't even know if he caught the padding. He certainly didn't get much protection from whatever this painting is. Painting? I don't know.
Now Leatherman laying in the boots, Jackson.
It's got to be the favorite now. I mean, that impact directly to the neck of Myers.
And Myers, somebody who knows an awful lot about impact, but that is exactly what these types of matches do. The momentum can swing at any given second with all of the different variables.
It's going to end up back in the ring now.
There we go.
Myers just flies. I mean, Leatherman throws him into the middle of the ring. What?
I think Bob Keller brought out the red canvas specifically for this match tonight. Looking for some plunder is Leatherman, and Leatherman's got his hands on a ladder.
A ladder? Was the TV not enough? What does Leatherman need with a ladder?
I think we're going to find out very soon what he needs with that ladder. And the drop kick connects. Basement level drop kick from Brian Myers. Myers now back on the outside. Sends Leatherman now into the ring. Myers has got a hold of that ladder. And you know what he's got in mind here, a little tornado action. Oof. Got a category 3 swinging its way through the ring. Top of that ladder connecting right flush with the bread basket of Leslie Leatherman.
The crowd wants the TV. Rob, this is going to hurt you.
Come on, guys.
They're not that expensive. You'll be all right, really. Uh-oh. Yeah.
What am I going to watch Gilmore Girls on?
Now that's a good point. Maybe we should go stop them.
You go stop them. You're the one that
your
took
TV.
You're the one that took it.
You should have stopped me earlier. You know I do this kind of stuff. You know what's coming.
Uh-oh. Oh, no, not like this. Oh, almost right into the screen. Kick connects, and now Myers a hold of Leatherman. Leatherman head first into the TV. Oh, man, that tumble all the way down. They don't make them like they used to. Now hooks the leg for the first pin attempt of the match, but Leatherman out at 2.
Head first into a flat screen, not enough to finish off Leatherman.
Myers now back in control and going to the outside. Got plenty of plunder in the ring. What the hell's Brian Myers got in mind here?
Anything goes. What's Myers gonna find? Saw something he liked.
Yeah, taking a look around. What in the hell?
What am I looking at here, Rob?
That is a 2x4 wrapped in barbed wire.
Oh, no. No, no.
Oh my goodness, and Leatherman's already busted open from that television, and now I think he's gonna be cut up even more. Oh, Myers with the barbed wire right into the face.
Oh, that blood is just flowing from Leatherman.
Those hardcore roots run deep, and the most professional wrestler. Yeah, throw that to the outside before he can do more damage with it. And now Myers, speaking of doing more damage, setting up that ladder against the middle turnbuckle. Oh, Leatherman bleeding like a stuck pig, Jackson. Oh no, Uranagi in through the ladder! Now for the pin. Myers out at 2.
Through the ladder and a kick out at 2?
The wherewithal of Brian Myers
I'm
is
worried.
awe-inspiring.
Leatherman looks lost. I'm not sure he quite knows where he is. The blood flowing.
You can see that glass look in the eyes of the highwayman Leslie Leatherman.
What else? What else is under our ring?
Oh no. You see a sack like that in professional wrestling, it usually only means one of a couple of things. I got a pretty good idea what that one thing might be, Jackson.
I don't know if I can stomach it.
Listen for the sound whenever that bag gets turned over.
Oh. Thumbtacks. Thumbtacks spread all across. There's more, apparently.
Taking them out by the handful.
Oh, wow. There's a lot more.
I do not like how this looks for Brian Myers. So Leslie Leatherman sending in these big right hands, and now fireman's carry position, but Myers quickly out of it. Ducks the line. Myers connects with a spear, just missing the majority of those thumbtacks.
Maybe enough. Oh, he's not going for the cover.
Oh, he knows he needs to inflict some punishment. He needs a big kill shot in a match like this. Myers now ascending to the top, going to the high rent district, Jackson. But Leslie's got the chair.
Leatherman just chunks the chair across the ring, and Myers
Caught Myers in the shoulder, and now they're going right back to it as Leatherman.
Both men going up top now.
Huge right hands from Leatherman. Myers not able to intelligently defend himself.
Rob.
This is bad. Wants a superplex, but Myers trying to fight back.
Please. Please!
Sunset flare powerbomb into the thumbtacks! Myers still wants an exclamation point.
Brian Myers, these men just don't quit, neither of them.
Myers ascending all the way up top and dives down with the chair. That's it. 1, 2, 3. I am speechless. after what we just saw. Unbelievable effort from both men, laying everything out on the line, but the most professional wrestler walking away your victor of this bunkhouse brawl.
Huge win from Brian Myers. Thumbtacks, TVs, through the ladders, Myers, barbed wire, we've seen it all. And Myers stands tall. The most professional wrestler.